Hi friends, today I want to show you the perfect product to take your pets outside with water and food easy. This is a pet water bottle, but you can put some food in this part too. So let me show you how to use it. It's this one. The size is perfect for carry on with you. So we have these two parts and have this thing to lock the entire rest side of food. So we just put it inside this way and we'll keep in her place, and you can unlock this part and you can take this part for the food. And in this part you can use this hole to give water to your pets. Using this one too, you lock or unlock the flow of water. So for the water, you just open it, have this carbon filter so your water is clean every time. We wanna put some water inside. We're gonna unlock the flow, and as you can see, the water keep in her place. And we're gonna put some food right here too. This way. You can use this part inside of this other, or you can use this accessory that came with your product in this hole and take your two parts separate. So let me show you how to use it with my pets. We're gonna unlock this part. So as you can see, it's so easy to keep your pets with water and food in the outsides or insides too. I highly recommend this product. See you.